Here's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, V8 engine, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and automatic transmission. This from Car and Driver, Cadillac's full-size swagger wagon offers brash chrome-tastic styling and leather-lined luxury. Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.